Hi, I'm Ms. V. Silvakani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jairaj Annapakyam College for Women, Autonomous, Periykulam. Now, I share the basic idea of big data. Big data is also data but with a huge size. The term is used to describe a collection of data that is huge in a size and yet growing exponentially with time. In short, such data is so large and complex that none of the traditional data management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. For example, the New York Stock Exchange generates 1 terabyte of new trade data per day. In social media, the statistics show that 500 plus terabytes of new data get ingested into the databases of social media site, for example Facebook every day. Single jet engine can generate 10 plus terabytes of data in 30 minutes of flight time. Big data could be found in three forms: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Structured data means any data that can be stored, accessed, and processed in the form of fixed format. 10 to the power of 21 bytes equal to 1 zettabyte, or 1 billion terabytes form a zettabyte. Looking this, one can easily understand why the name big data is given and imagine the challenges involved in its storage and processing. Data stored in a relational database management system is one example of a structured data. Unstructured data. Any data with unknown form or the structure is classified as unstructured data. A typical example of unstructured data is a heterogeneous data source containing a combination of simple text files, images, videos, etc. Example of unstructured data: the output returned by Google search. Then, semi-structured data. Semi-structured data can contain both a form of data, that means data as a structured in a form but it is actually not defined. For example, a table definition in relational database management system. The elements of big data is volume, variety, velocity, variability. Volume is the amount of data generated by organization or individuals. Today, the volume of data in most organization is approaching exabyte. Variety defines data coming from new sources. That means both inside and outside of an enterprise. It can be structured, semi-structured or unstructured. Velocity measures how fast data is produced and modified, the speed with which it needs to be processed. An increased number of data sources, both machine and human generated, drive velocity. Variability refers to the inconsistency which can be shown by the data at times. Finally, concluded that big data is defined as a data that is huge in a size. Big data could be in the form of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. It have the four elements, that is volume, variety, velocity, and variability. I hope you understand the idea about big data. Thank you.